Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how students can use monday.com to organize their workflow. So there is a template which is very useful, which we're going to use in today's video. Under main workspace, click on this blue button and then click choose from templates. Here you have to search for students, and this template that you see, student organization tools, you have to click on it and then you have to click use template and it will set up the template for you. Alright guys, once the template is set up, it has created these 5 boards for us, like give feedback, event planning, alumni database, enhanced event schedule, and enhanced membership database. So you can use all of these boards to manage different items, different projects, different things. Like in enhanced event schedule, you can schedule your events, and in enhanced membership database, you can manage your database. Like you can check out all of these fields here. And in event planning board, you can plan your events. In event database, you can add your data and stuff. So this is how students can use monday.com to manage all of their workflow, to plan events, to plan their schedule, and to do a lot of activities that they do. So this is how if monday.com can be used for students. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.